So with Excel, sometimes you want to enter the same data into multiple places. And the standard method for doing this would be using copy and paste, where you'd first type in your data and then copy that cell, select the cells where you want to paste that data, and then you would paste the data into those cells. Now those 4 steps can be reduced down to just 2 using this quick tip. First of all, we're going to select the cells where we want the new data, and we're going to do that using Control-click, using my left mouse click, just the cells where I want the data to go. And then in the final cell where I've selected, I'm going to start typing my new data, the word computer in this case. Now instead of hitting enter, which will just fill that final cell, if I hold down the Control key and hit enter, all of those selected cells will have the new data entered into them. So hold down the Control key, hit enter, and all of those selected cells now have the new data that we've entered.